Hello everyone, if you were asked to generate a ton of phone numbers, something like this with a digit format, and let me show you the quick way to do that. So we need 8 digit and another one I will show you that can be 9 digit or 7 digit. Okay, so we start with equal. So we use ran between here, been random from bottom to top. So let's put 8 digits. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, start from 8 and then up to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 8 digit. So it will random between that number. Let's check. Okay, so let me drag here, for example, like this, and you got like that. Okay, every time when we press or we do something, it changes. So let's make it static. Just copy and right click and paste as a number, so it will not change again. Okay, let's do here for 7 digit, for example, ran between. Okay, so for 7 digit 1 2 3 4, or you can start from 0 0 1 3 4 5 6 7, start from 7 digit and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit. So we got something like that. So we got the ran between, and the same you can copy and or you can paste another place right here, only number. So here we change all the time, but we got a number right here. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. If you have any question, let comment below. Please like and share to your friend. Okay, see you next video.